Alright. So do you have any guesses what we're going to do today? Do you have any guesses?
No.
Something related to animals only, but we're going to do something a little bit different, which you're going to see now. I know you're going to love it. So let me know when you can see my screen, okay? Okay. Can you see my screen, Akira?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, great. So
Yeah.
what do we start with? We start with meditation. So in this video, whatever you see, you need to do along with this cartoon, okay?
Okay.
Welcome to another mindful moment with Nick. This mindful moment is called the Balloon Man practice. Start by standing in a space behind your desk and create a wide space between your feet. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose
Breathe in,
and then slowly breathe out through your mouth.
breathe out.
On your next deep breath in, roll your arms upwards
Upwards,
to float over
arms
your head
upwards.
as if you're holding a giant balloon. Pause for a count of 2. Then bend your knees slightly and slowly sigh the breath out through your mouth. As your head rolls forward, your vertebrae fold down one by one and your hands drop down
Breathe out.
towards your feet. Pause here for 3 breaths. Allow your body to relax.
Again,
Gently nod your head yes and no and allow your neck to relax. After your 3 breaths, breathe in,
again,
pushing
hands
through your
up.
feet, straightening the legs and roll up the spine until you're standing tall. Bringing your arms up until they are floating overhead. Now repeat this practice 2 more times.
Akira, can you breathe in and breathe out along with this man?
Yeah.
You want to name this man? Give a name.
Name.
Yeah, give a name to this man. What do you want to call him?
I want to call
Anything. It can be something silly as well. You have a name? Okay, you can think about it.
Funny, silly, funny.
Sorry?
Funny, silly, funny.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now, can you see what do we have here?
Day.
So, Akira will quickly tell me the day today. What is the day?
Today. Yes.
What is the day today?
Thursday.
Yes, today is Thursday. Good. And what is the month?
The month. The month.
Is it
The month.
is it January?
July.
Yes.
No,
Wow. Very good. And
January is when.
do you know the date?
Yeah.
What is the date?
July.
Yeah. The month is July, yes. The date is 21st. So it's 21st July and it's a Thursday, right? Okay.
And
Okay.
the date.
The date, yeah. The date is
Date.
2021. Okay.
It's 21.
Yeah. Very good. Okay. So now, Akira, do you think you can live underwater?
We can't live underwater.
We can't. So why do you think we can't live underwater? Can you hear me?
We need a boat.
Sorry,
We need a boat.
you need a boat. Okay, but can you live there? Like, if even if you take a boat, will you be able to stay there? Will you be able to breathe underwater, Akira? Will you be able to breathe underwater, Akira? What do you think?
My nose.
Okay, so we won't be able to breathe underwater. Okay, so we don't have what fishes have. We won't be able to breathe underwater, right? We can swim for a bit and come back, but we won't be able to breathe. Okay, now quickly revising. Do you remember oceans that we did? Remember we drew oceans? We drew rivers and oceans and lakes and all of that. We did a drawing, remember? Yeah. So
Yeah.
there are 5 oceans. Okay.
Yeah.
And do you see these colorful things? You see green, orange, yellow, and all of those? Those are the lands. Remember, we spoke about Asia, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Europe, and Antarctica. I know you remember that. Last class you told me. So, but do you remember the oceans? All this blue thing surrounding this is the ocean. Okay. Can you see how much blue it is?
Oh.
You see all this blue, it's so much, right? So all this is water on the earth, and it is all,
Oh.
sorry,
Really? Is that water?
yeah, the entire blue portion is water. Okay, whatever blue thing you can see is water that is covering the earth. Okay, so now we will learn about 5 oceans. Okay, so do you remember Pacific Ocean? So here is Pacific Ocean. Then you see Atlantic Ocean. Can you see along with me Pacific Ocean? Yes, Akira? Can you see Pacific Ocean?
No.
Say Pacific.
Okay.
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah? Okay. So, how many oceans are there, Akira?
5.
Yes, there are 5 oceans. So now do you want to learn the names quickly? I know you know, but we'll again go through it. Okay, quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. But before that, so just look at this map. You will see Pacific, Atlantic, there's Arctic Ocean at the top, and there's Indian Ocean. Okay, so just look, watch a video and we'll remember the names. Okay. So all this blue portion that you see is the water. Okay, that's the ocean, and the green portions are land.
Oh, the green.
About 70% of the surface of the earth is ocean water, and it's divided up in 5 parts from biggest to
Do
small.
you see the 5 numbers, Akira?
Yeah.
So those 5 are the oceans. Those 5 are the 5 oceans. Okay. So now let's learn the names quickly.
Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
It's Pacific. Can you say it along with me? So it's Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. Pacific, Akira, can you say it along with me?
Yeah.
Pacific, Pacific, Atlantic, are you saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm playing the video again for you to see, okay?
Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
I'm the Pacific, to be specific. I'm a third of the Earth's surface where my turf is, and my Mariana Trench is the very, very deepest.
The first ocean, that is the Pacific Ocean, is the biggest ocean, okay? It's very large. And then what
In the
comes
sea.
next?
And I'm the Atlantic,
Atlantic
named
Ocean.
after the Greek god Atlas, with the Bermuda Triangle and the Gulf Stream
After Pacific comes Atlantic. Okay, Akira.
in me.
Yeah.
I'm the Indian
Now comes the
Ocean.
Indian
I'm the
Ocean.
warmest around.
And I'm the Southern Ocean, where Antarctica is found.
And I'm the Arctic, the smallest and the shallowest, but that's fine, you see.
So Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. So Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Okay.
I've got more ice than you've ever seen. Even polar bears walk on me.
In polar
We're
bears.
the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
One more time.
Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
So is that clear? Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic, which is the smallest one.
The 5 states.
Now, Akira, do you know what lives under the ocean? What type
Fish.
of animals can you find? Do you
Fish
find
and
fishes?
jellyfish. Fish and jellyfish.
Yes. Fish and jellyfish and
And sea turtle.
okay, and wow. So Akira knows so many. So if I show you
Yeah.
pictures, will you be able to identify?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Turtle.
Okay. This one is the first one. Do you know what this is?
No.
You don't know what it is?
I know.
What is it? It's called a squid. Okay. Squid. It's called a squid.
But it's like an octopus.
It's called an octopus. Is
Yeah,
it,
but it's like octopus. It's like
you want to see squid and octopus? Akira,
yeah.
you want to see squid and octopus? Squids are a little different actually than
Mhm.
octopuses. Okay. So here we are calling it squids. So do you see this picture, how they are hanging? You know what squids eat?
No.
Okay. So squids eat fish. It eats crab.
Yeah.
Do you know what crabs are?
Yeah.
So they eat fish, they eat crabs, they eat lobsters.
What is the
What is it?
front of pink stones?
I am not able to hear you. Can you get your mic closer or come closer to the computer? Yes, tell me.
Oh. Yeah, near.
Are you able to see me,
This is
Akira?
locked up. Oh my God. Don't you?
Can you hear me?
I'm not, but I need more.
Can you hear me, Akira? Akira, do you hear me?
Hello?
Can you? Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me, Akira?
I can't hear you.
Yes.
I can't
Can
hear
you?
you.
Can you hear me, Akira? Akira, are you able to hear me? Can you hear me?
I still can't hear you. I can't hear you.
You can't hear me? You can't hear me? Akira,
Anna? Anna? I need you.
Now can you hear her?
No.
can you hear me?
I can't hear you.
I'm not being able to hear you properly, Akira.
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Now I can hear you.
Now you can hear me, but I can't hear you properly. Can you come closer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, great. So, what is it called, Akira?
Um.
It's called a squid. Okay. Can you say squid?
Squid.
So it's called a squid. And you know what it eats? It eats crabs, it eats fishes, and sometimes it also eats each other.
Pink.
Crabs? Are crabs pink?
Yeah.
Crabs are red, but sometimes it might be pink as well actually, but they are mostly red. Okay. You want me to show you crabs?
Yeah.
Are you able to see crabs? Are
I
you able to
can't.
see?
No. No.
Now?
Yeah, I can see now.
Yeah, so these are crabs. So squids sometimes eat crabs, sometimes they eat small fishes, or they might eat shrimps. Do you know what shrimps are?
No.
Have you eaten this ever?
No, I didn't.
You know what prawns are?
I did. I know what the shrimp. I ate it
Okay, so these are shrimps.
before.
So
Really?
Sorry, Akira?
I ate it one time.
Okay, so these are squids and they eat shrimps that you saw, crabs that you saw.
Yeah,
Small.
but I don't know what.
I can't hear you.
I don't know what's a squid.
You don't know squid? Okay, wait. Now you've understood this is squid, right, Akira?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know what it eats? Did you hear? Okay. Now, Kira, can you tell me what this is? You are naming this. You were just telling me about this. Do you know what this is?
Squid. Squid.
No. This was squid. What is this? It's very similar, but you were telling me about this. What has 8 legs? Octopus. Yes. It's octopus. It's octopus.
What?
Okay. So this is an octopus. And do you know what it eats?
I don't know.
Sorry?
I don't know what it eats.
You don't know what it eats. Yeah. So octopuses also eat fish. They might eat sharks. And you know what? They also eat birds. You know how? When the birds are flying, they throw their arms, they pull the animal into their mouth. They have 8 arms, right? They throw their arms out, pulls the animal to their mouth and they eat it. So they also eat birds sometimes. So they eat fishes, they eat sharks, they might also eat birds. Okay? Okay, next one. Akira, do you know what this is?
What is that?
This is a jellyfish. You named the jellyfish, right? You were telling me about jellyfish. So this is called a jellyfish.
Why it doesn't
Sorry?
It doesn't look like a jellyfish.
Doesn't look like a jellyfish. Do you want to see other pictures? Actually, you are right, because jellyfishes are of different colors. There can be pink jellyfish, there can be yellow jellyfish, blue jellyfish, purple jellyfish, a lot of different colors. Okay. And they also eat small fishes and they eat plants. The plants that you find under the ocean. Okay, we'll see jellyfish now. Okay. Now do you recognize, Akira?
Yeah.
Now does it look like jellyfish?
What looks like jellyfish?
Can you see my screen? Can you see all these jellyfishes?
Yeah, now I can see.
Now you can see. See, it can be yellow, it can
So
be
now
orange.
jellyfish. This is a jellyfish.
This is a jellyfish, yes. So the picture that I showed you, this is also a jellyfish, but other jellyfishes are of different colors, okay? If you can see, these are different types of jellyfishes. Okay, so what do jellyfishes eat? They eat smaller fishes, they eat crabs again, and they eat the tiny plants that you find below the ocean. Okay, that is also something we'll study today. Okay, so does Akira know what this is?
Yeah,
What
it's
is
a
it?
jellyfish. It's a jellyfish.
Okay, can you?
Turtle.
Yes,
It's a turtle. It's a turtle. It's a
very
turtle.
good, very good. It is a sea turtle. And Akira, do you know what a sea turtle eats?
No.
A sea turtle eats a jellyfish.
The turtle is jellyfish.
Yes, the sea turtles eat jellyfish and they also eat other plants that you find in the ocean. Okay, you find other plants in the ocean, they also eat that. Also, you know what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can find
Yes,
100 plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Akira, can you come closer once? Yes, tell me now.
I can find
Okay, so now do you know that sea turtles eat jellyfishes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Also,
Yeah.
Akira, you know, people throw plastic in the ocean. Do you think you should throw plastic in the ocean?
What?
Do you think you should throw waste and plastic and all the dirty things in the ocean? Do you think so?
Mm, I don't think so.
Yeah, we should never throw plastic in the ocean. You know why? Because these plastics look like jellyfishes in the ocean and the sea turtles try to eat them. And when they try to eat them, the plastic wraps around their mouth and they die. Okay.
Can I tell you something? No,
Yes.
but I feel this
What?
is gonna be funny. This is gonna be funny.
This is gonna. Tell me, Akira, what were you saying?
When is
I'm not able to hear you, Akira. Tell me.
done? When is the class going to be done?
Can you come closer? Can you talk closer to the mic if you have your earphones here? Yeah. Yes. Tell me.
When is the class going to be done?
It is going to be done in some time. Are you not liking today, Akira?
I like it, but I like it.
Okay. 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 All right. So, what did we learn? That we are not supposed to throw plastic in the ocean. Okay. Why? Because the sea turtles think it's jellyfish and they die because the plastic wraps around their head and it's not good for them. So that is why we should never throw plastic in the ocean. Okay. And what is this last one? Can you tell me? You know what this is?
The
What is this, Akira? Can you hear me?
But I forgot. What is that?
You
What is
forgot?
that?
Okay. It's called a seal. Have you heard of seals before?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So this is called a seal. Okay. Now, quickly, do you want to see a few plants that are found underwater? So this
Yeah.
is called a musk grass. Okay. So whenever I'm telling you that some animals, sea animals like fishes, they eat plants under the ocean. So the plants that you find under the ocean and that you found around you are not the same. So this is called a musk grass and this is called purple corals. Can you see the purple color, Akira?
Yeah.
So it's called a purple coral. Okay. So musk grass and purple corals. Okay, two more things that you find underwater, Akira. These are called pond weeds. You don't have to remember the name, but you can just see the picture and remember. So you find these underwater pond weeds, and these are so beautiful. It's called kelps. I'll just make it bigger so that you can see, but it's so pretty. So can you see? These are called kelps. So fishes also roam around here, and these are called pond weeds. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, okay. Akira, do you want to read or do you want to draw?
Yeah.
You want to read?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's read. And you have to read carefully because I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay. So you can start reading, Akira. What does this say? What is this word?
Now you can see
Yes.
the
The.
The.
Do you know what this word is?
I don't know
This is
what is
the ocean.
ocean.
The ocean. Then
Right.
has bright. Very good. What comes after this? What is this word?
Blue.
And what comes after? The ocean has bright blue
Water.
water. Very good. And then filled.
What did you say?
So the ocean has bright blue water filled. You know this
Water.
word? Do you know this word? Okay, you're stuck, Akira.
I can't hear you.
So the ocean has bright blue water filled with waves. Okay. Many types of fish live in the
Yeah.
ocean. Okay. Do you want to try reading this word?
Yeah.
So what is this first? What I'm underlining? It's seagulls. Okay, can you see a picture of a seagull here?
No.
That is a seagull. So this bird that you see here, that's a seagull. Okay. So seagulls love flying over the ocean to look for fish. So these seagulls fly over the ocean to look for fish. Then, Akira, what is this word?
That word. There.
Yes, excellent. There. Yes. There is soft. Then what is this word? Sand. There is soft sand along. What is this word?
Along
Yes.
the
Shore.
shore.
There is soft sand along the shore. Then
And there are
pretty seashells.
shells.
Yes. Then
So
in the what is this word, Akira?
sand.
Sand. Very good. And the last line.
The ocean is a great
Place
place to live.
to visit. Very good.
Visit.
Clap, clap, clap. Excellent. Good job. Okay. So now I will read this again one more time for you. I will read this again one more time for you. Then you will have to answer questions. Okay. So listen very carefully. I'm reading once.
Yeah.
The ocean has bright blue water filled with waves. Many types of fish live in the ocean. Seagulls love flying over the ocean to look for fish. There is soft sand along the shore, and there are pretty seashells in the sand. Do you know what seashells are? The shells that you find in sand? Yes. The ocean is a great place to visit. Okay, now Akira will answer. What color is the water?
Blue.
Yes. And what did they say here? They said bright blue water. Okay, so bright blue. What lives in the ocean? Fish. And what is in the sand?
Seashell.
Wow, very good. And where is the soft sand?
What?
And where is the sand? Where do you find the sand?
In the beach.
On the seashore. Can you say seashore? Sea? Just say sea. Yes.
Seashore.
And why do seagulls fly above the ocean, Akira?
I don't know. To look for fish.
Yes. High five. Excellent. Great job. I'll give you a star today. Great work, Akira. Okay. So you're already done. So story. Okay. Now I will give you two more options. Do you want to see a video and tell me what is happening there? Or do you want to draw?
Now to see what's happening there first.
Yes? Okay. So now I'm going to play this. You just will see pictures, okay? So you have to pay attention. You see only pictures and there will be sounds, but you can't hear anything because they won't say anything. But you have to tell me what is happening in the story, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, ready.
So who all do you see here, Akira?
What?
Who all do you see here?
I can see cows, I can see jellyfish, I can see sharks, I can see,
Okay, lovely. Okay,
yeah.
now watch the rest.
I know, I can see a whale.
Yeah?
I can see a whale.
Yes. Okay, now watch the rest. What happens? So, Kira, can you tell me what happened? What did you see?
I see a whale, I see a crab, I see a whale, I see a star, I see a jellyfish, I see a crab, I see a fish,
And what happened to them? What were they doing?
and the whale, can't walk, that's why the crab and the jellyfish help the whale.
Yeah, and were they picking up all these plastics that you all see that we were just talking
Yeah.
about that you should not throw? So we're collecting all the plastics from the ocean, and then what were what was the crab and the jellyfish? They were helping the whale. Yeah, and then what did you see? The whale couldn't pick it up, right? It was trying to pick up all the garbage and all the dirt up, but it wasn't able to because it was so much. And then what did they do?
They help the whale.
They helped the whale. Very good. Good job. Akira? Sorry,
Drawing.
you want to do?
Drawing.
You want to do?
Yeah. I'm just drawing.
Okay, okay. So did you understand till now? Okay, I want you to get pencil and paper.
Yeah, I got pencil and paper.
Have pencil and paper? Okay. So
Yeah.
guess what we are drawing today? You want to guess?
Yeah.
What do you think we are drawing today?
A fish. A fish.
Oh wow, Akira is doing so well today. She's guessing everything. So to make it easier, so see, we learned about the plants that you find underwater. So you can draw these plants here. Then you can draw a shell here and then draw the fish. Okay? Do
I
you need
don't
help?
know.
You don't know how to draw a fish? Okay, do you want
I
to do
don't
it?
know.
Okay, I can tell you how to
You're
start.
telling me?
You know what you can do? You can start
Yeah.
with probably the tail. Okay,
Yeah.
you draw this shape first.
Okay. Let me just open my door. Yes.
It's like this.
Okay.
This and this and this and
Mm.
this.
Done.
Done?
Yeah, done.
Okay, so now from where you finish this, I want to draw a half a circle, not a full circle, but draw like half a circle, like sorry, draw a circle like this. And if you're done with that, then from the other end of the tail, you draw this, like this.
Done.
Done? Have you drawn the line, upper line also?
Yeah.
Okay, now I want you to draw the fins. See,
Okay,
this
done. I'm done.
and this.
I'm
Done?
done. Yeah,
Then
done.
go for the eyes. So one circle, smaller circle. So 3 circles you can see, and then you color this middle circle black.
Okay, done.
Okay. Now you draw this pattern on the tail and this on the body. You can draw straight lines also. They have done curved lines. So you can do straight lines also. So you can do curved lines like this or straight lines like
Straight
this.
line. How is a straight line?
You want to do straight line?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that as well. Or you can do spots also. You can do like circles, spots.
It's okay. I can do that. I can do straight line.
Okay. Are you done?
Almost.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
You're done? Okay. Now what I want you to draw is, can you see these circles? So basically the fish is breathing, right? So I want you to draw these circles. So these are the bubbles that are coming out. while breathing.
Done.
Done? Next,
Done.
can we draw these seaweed as well? Like this. So these are plants. So basically curvy lines like this, and then you
I can try doing that.
done. Then I want to
Done.
draw the waves of water.
I'm already done with that.
You done that? And you want to draw this or not? The shell?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can draw the shell.
I'm done.
Done? Can you show me?
Yeah, first I color it.
You want to color it? Yeah, you can color it for homework, but can you show me first?
Okay.
Oh my god, that's so pretty, Akira.
Thank you.
That's very pretty.
Thank you.
Love it. Yes. Can you color it for homework and can you show it to me the next day?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Now quickly, can we do math and then I can let you go? Okay?
Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
Yes? Okay. So Akira, do you remember
What?
later?
The teacher did that.
Sorry?
Nothing.
Okay. Okay, Akira, so can we do this first and then you can color it maybe for the next class and you can show it to me next class?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So, Akira, do you remember we were doing crocodile mouth? And crocodile mouth is only towards whichever number is bigger, right? And you
But-
again, I know again you're
but-
going to tell me it looks like a 7. Is that what you're
Yeah.
going to say? Yeah? No.
Yes.
Yeah. So, but no, it doesn't look like a, yeah, it does look like a 7, but it's more like a mouth, a crocodile mouth, right? Okay.
Yeah, but 7. It's like a 7.
So what you know what you need to do here? So there are numbers written here and you have to tell me if these numbers are greater than, like bigger than or smaller than 15. Okay. So if it's smaller than 15, you use this sign because then obviously small numbers the crocodile doesn't eat. The crocodile only eats bigger numbers. So the crocodile mouth will be towards 15. And
Yeah.
if these numbers are bigger than 15, then the crocodile mouth will be towards the other numbers. Obviously, because then it would.
Yeah, but the crocodile would eat 20 because I can see 20 here.
Yeah. So the crocodile always eats bigger numbers. So let me
Very
do the first.
big numbers. Like so much.
Yes. So 1, 7, 3, 12, 9, 4. All these numbers are bigger than 15. Yes. So 1, 7, 3, 12, 9, 4. All these numbers are bigger than 15 or smaller than 15?
Yeah.
Is it bigger than 15 or smaller than 15? All these numbers? 1, 7, 3. Smaller than 15. So crocodile will eat these numbers or 15?
15.
15. So,
No, but it doesn't make 15.
sorry.
It doesn't make 15.
So they will, the crocodile will eat 15, right? So that is why we make the
No,
crocodile mouth towards 15.
But I can see, but I can see.
I can't hear you, Kira.
I can see
Come closer. Come closer. Come closer.
20. Yeah.
20.
Yeah.
20. But there's no 20 here. In the first one, there's 1, 7, 3. Okay, yeah, this is the second one, right? So here we have 17, 20, 18, 51, 26. So all these numbers are bigger than 15 or smaller than 15?
Smaller than 15.
17 and 20, are these bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah, bigger
Yeah.
than 15, right? So the crocodile will eat 15 or these numbers.
These numbers.
So we make the crocodile mouth towards these numbers. Okay, so the mouth opens towards these numbers and not 50. So can you tell me the next one? 90, 70, 100, 80. Are all these numbers bigger than 50?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the crocodile mouth will be towards 50 or these numbers?
These numbers because I can see 100.
These numbers, right? Okay. And what about the last one? 10, 30, 20, and 40. Are these numbers bigger or smaller than 50? Is 50 bigger than these numbers or smaller than these numbers?
And
10.
bigger.
Yes. So the crocodile will eat these numbers or 50?
These numbers.
So Akira, there's 10, 20, 30. Is 10 bigger than 50?
No.
No. So what will crocodile eat?
50.
So we draw the mouth towards 50, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yeah, that's
All right. I think we are done then. So did you like the class, Akira?
we are done then.
Did you have fun?
Done already.
Sorry,
Done already.
I can't hear you. Akira, come this side.
Done already.
I still can't hear you.
One class started early today.
Okay. Are you asking when this class gets over? I still can't hear you.
Why is the class so early today?
The class got over early today.
Yeah.
Yeah, you think it got early today?
Yeah.
That means you like the class, right? Okay, we'll do a
No.
longer class next.
I want to have a longer class.
Okay, okay. So next class we'll do a little bit longer. Okay. So did you have fun? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to do more next class? You want to do drawing or do you want to do stories? What do you want to do?
Next class I will do stories. No drawing in that class.
No drawing? Oh, Akira doesn't want to draw anymore. Wow. Okay. Fine. All right. Okay. See you then. Have a good day.
You have a